Hello my friends, on this video tutorial I will show you today how to disable Windows 10 notifications. Every time you open up Windows to work you see a lot of notifications here to pop up and it sounds. When you open up the Chrome browser you see also some notification here. But today I will show you how to disable notification on your Windows 10 and Chrome browser, both of these software. So first of all, let's turn off notifications on Windows 10. Go to settings, just type settings on the search, go to system. Here at the settings you will see the tab notification actions. Okay, here you can deal with notifications. So if you want notifications to be allowed from some programs or softwares, you have to turn it off here. Or you can disable sound, allow notification to play sound. But in this case, in this video, we will disable notifications for Windows 10. This is how we disable notifications on Windows 10. So disable notifications on Google Chrome. Go to menu icon here at the top. Go to settings. Go to advanced. Go to privacy and security. Go to site settings here. Site settings. Here on the site settings is the tab notification. Here, click on this. And here is the notification area. You can remove or you can add some programs to allow notifications from, or you can totally turn off notification. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you have to turn off notification for Windows 10 and for Google Chrome.